Hello everyone to Charifa Kitchen channel. We're really happy you're watching our video right now. Today we have a new hack about pans. So isn't it annoying when you put something in the pan and you can't eat it because it's totally stuck to the bottom of the pan? Besides that, you're gonna have to spend like half an hour cleaning it. Well, today we've got a solution for that. Stay with us and you're gonna learn how to turn an old pan into a Teflon one. And that means no more sticking food on your pan. So, as you can see, we did put an egg into our pan and it's totally stuck as expected. And hell yes, it's gonna take us tons of time and effort in order to clean it properly. Let the magic begin! First we want to make sure our pan is totally dry, because believe me, you don't want to have oil and water together in a hot pan. Yeah bro, cooking can be dangerous. Now chop the onion into little pieces and put it in the pan. Onions have an acid that reacts to the metal of the pan. It's, by the way, the same one that makes us cry. We're gonna try the same thing with different pans. We need to char the onions, so do not worry about them burning. The smoke and oil and the onion's acid create a layer, a surface that protects the metal and make the pan non-stick for a while. Now let's clean our pan again and see what happens. Look at this! Wow, I can't believe it. Our pan is officially non-sticking for a while. I'm not worried about the meat sticking because of the fat. But what about the egg? Let's see. Too bad. It's totally sticking. There is no way we put this on the table. And that's without talking about cleaning the pan. Wonderful, it works 100%. And thank God, it's much easier to clean. Hope the video was useful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell and share.